lovelies, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for always stopping by. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you so much. Yeah, if today is your first time of coming across this beautiful Omalicha face, my name is Oyinyechi. On my channel I do cooking, mukbang challenge and lifestyles and so many other things. If you like what you see on my channel, please just show me love by subscribing, share, comment, okay? To you my old OGs that always come back to watch me. I want to say I love you, I love you, I love you. I love you so much. Okay? Yeah, today's video I'll be making Ogbono soup, as in obe akpo. Yoruba they call it obe akpo. Yeah, I'll be making Ogbono soup, okay? So, without wasting much of your time, let's dive into the cooking, okay? Yeah guys, these are all what I'll be needing to make the Ogbono soup, okay? There's the goat meat, snail, cow tripe, koshaki, smoked turkey, ogiri. This is the ogiri. I'm not able to find the okpe here, so I'll be using ogiri. If you have okpe, feel free to use it. Okpe is the best. Then there is the salt, Maggi, 4 Maggi cube. This is the dry fish, pala fish. This is called pala dry fish, okay? I so much love it in whatever I'm cooking. It's a very good fish. Here is the uzuza. I love this uzuza leaf. It's very, very nice and tasty. In any soup you want to make, if you use it, it's very, very nice. I can't do without it. I love it so much. And this is dry uzuza leaf. I can't find fresh one. Okay, so I'll have to make use of what I have. So there is ogbono, crayfish, onion, fresh pepper. I'll be blending it later. Stockfish. This one is cow skin, oil. Okay, so this is all what I will be using to make the Ogbono soup. Hope you can see everything. Yeah, let's get cooking. So guys, I'll be cooking the meat now. You add your meat. Then I'll be adding the stripe. Then I'll be adding the onion. Then I'll add the Maggi. I'll be adding the 4 cubes of Maggi. Okay? And I'll be adding the salt. Hope you're seeing what I'm doing. I've left some. Then I'll be adding some pepper. Then you add a little bit of water. You know it's goat meat, so we have to add water. So you have to add water for it to be proper cooked, because I'll be cooking the goat meat for about 25 minutes to 30 minutes. So guys, this is after 20 minutes of cooking the meat. Yeah, you can see this is after 20 minutes. So I will be taking out the snail because I don't want the snail to overcook. So I'll be taking the snails out. Then After taking the snails out, I will transfer this into this big pot. I have this big pot here because this pot is too small for me to make the soup, so I will transfer it into the big pot. Okay, so let me bring out the snails before I transfer it into the big pot. Yeah, so guys, as you can see, I have transferred the meat into the big pot, yeah, so that I will have enough space, you know, to cook the soup. So now I'll be adding the turkey. Then I'll be adding the stockfish. Then I'll be adding the dry pala fish, yeah. So then I'll mix everything, yeah. I'll mix everything. So allow it to cook for more 7 minutes, okay? So guys, this is after 7 minutes of cooking it. I'll add the oil. After adding the oil, I'll add the pepper. Hope you can see what I'm doing. I add the pepper. Then I add the crayfish. Sorry, I love my crayfish, okay? Then you stir. Yeah. Then you add a little bit of water. That will be enough to cook for the quantity of the soup you want to cook. I will cover it for 1 minute, just for the oil to, you know, to cook, because I don't want the oil to be, you know, gumming in my mouth or sticking in my mouth, like, yeah. So we'll cook it for 1 minute. So guys, this is after 1 minute now. I'll be adding the snail back. Then I'll be adding the cow skin. This is the cow skin, yeah? It's already cooked. The cow skin is already cooked, okay? So I'll be adding it. You stir it, right? You stir it. So this is the ogiri. I'll be putting a little bit of this meat stock. The locust beans, yeah, just to melt it. See, you melt it like that. After melting it, you pour it there. You stir it, stir. You add the rest of the crayfish. Then you now add your, sorry, I know you will say this crayfish is too much. I love crayfish in my soup, oh. I love crayfish in my soup, okay? Then you add the ogbono, yeah. You add the ogbono, okay? Then you cover it. You cover it to boil. Feel free to cook this ogbono your own style, you know. I don't want to fry it. If you want to make up, like, you can choose to fry the ogbono first, you know, before adding your meat stock, your everything. But I choose to cook. I love cooking it this way because I don't really like fry. You understand? So I love cooking it this way. To me, cooking it this way, I see it like it's natural, you know, like, so that's too much fry. I don't know why I don't really like it. So we'll leave it to cook for 7 to 10 minutes, okay? So guys, this is after 10 minutes, yeah? This is after 10 minutes, yeah. So I'll be adding my uzuza leaf. Yeah, I have this my leftover spinach. Yeah, I use it to make vegetables. I used it to make spinach sauce yesterday, so this is the one that is remaining. So I just kept it in the fridge, so I will be adding it to it. Okay, yeah, so you stir it. We don't want to overcook the vegetable, so let's leave it to cook for 1 minute. Yeah, so guys, this is after 1 minute. Yeah, can see the ofe na so poto poto poto, and na so poto poto poto. Ew. So guys, if you have watched till this time, I want to say thank you to you guys. I want to say thank you so much. I really appreciate your time, your everything. I really appreciate you guys for always stopping by, for always coming to watch me. I really appreciate you all. Thank you so much. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, Biko, please subscribe. Show your baby girl love. Subscription is free. You don't pay for it, okay? Subscribe, comment, like, share, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a new video, okay? Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.